Alright, so we just discussed the scoring standards, and these scoring standards are taken right from the official guidance. Now let's talk about what conclusions we can make from these scoring standards. How do we succeed on TOEFL speaking according to these standards? First of all, how do we succeed in speaking? Grammar mistakes are okay. As long as they are minor, it's fine to make some grammar mistakes. You can still receive the highest score. Making a mistake is okay. So if you made some mistake, it's all right. If there is not too much time after you made this mistake, you can correct yourself by saying I mean. For example, you say, so he say that, I mean, he says that. So you just say I mean, and then you say the same thing, but with a corrected mistake, okay? Next, using simple language is okay. There was nothing about does the speaker use a very complicated and sophisticated language, right? It wasn't like that. So there was nothing about how difficult your speech has to be, which difficult words you need to use. There is nothing like that. So you can use very simple English. You can talk like the 5th grader. It's all right. As long as you answer the question, you can still receive the highest score. Saying nonsense is okay in questions 1 and 2. So there was nothing about the content of your speech, right, in the scoring guidance. It was just about how well developed is your speech, are you fluent, is your pronunciation all right, is your grammar all right, can we easily understand you? So the scoring standards were all about that. There was nothing about the content. As long as it's logical, you have a thesis, you have some arguments going on, so you're answering the question, it's okay if you say some stupid stuff. So it's all right if your arguments are super weak, if your details are just nonsense, it just doesn't make any sense, it's all right. As long as you have a very good, well-developed structure, which I will give you in this course, then it's okay. You can say whatever there is on your mind. Bad accent is okay. There is nothing about the accent. There is something about the pronunciation, but as long as it's easy to understand you, then it's fine. So if you have a horrible accent, it's okay. Slowing down to recall information is okay. Of course, when you have notes and you're trying to summarize everything and figure out what to say and what say after what, it's okay to slow down. It's okay to read this, and then kind of think over. It's okay. So if your pace is changing during your summary of different information from the reading and from the listening, it's all right. They understand it. You can still receive a very high score. Coherence and clear fluent speech within the time is gold. So this is the most important thing you have to do in the speaking. You have to speak coherently, clearly, fluently, logically, and then you need to do all of that within the time. As long as you do that, you receive the highest score. So I will give you the exact cliches and the exact structure and the exact timing in order to make your speaking coherent, logical, well-developed, fluent, clear, and timed. So you will cover that all. Thanks for watching.